Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the benefits of oregano, particularly the wild organic variety in parasite cleansing. Oregano is a potent herb rich in compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have strong antimicrobial and anti-parasitic properties. Oregano is rich in compounds. Not only that, but they have powerful antimicrobial and anti-parasitic properties, and these compounds work by disrupting the cell membranes of the parasites. And this works effectively, helping rid your body of these unwanted guests. Now, what's great about oregano is that it's not only effective against parasites, but also supports your immune system and provides antioxidant benefits. When used as part of a comprehensive cleanse, which I discussed in episode 1, see the video, Say Goodbye to Parasites, oregano can significantly enhance the effectiveness of the process. So watch that video to find out more. For those interested, I've linked a special offer for 50% off wild-crafted and organic herbs in the description below, so be sure to check out that link. However, a word of caution. Wild organic oregano is very strong, and using it in high doses for long periods can cause irritation, especially to the gut lining. It's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and ensure you're using wild-crafted or organic. Now, to avoid any unnecessary chemicals that may reduce its effectiveness, remember you can click the link below and find it there. However, people may be allergic to oregano, particularly those with allergies to other herbs in the Lysine family, such as basil, mint, or sage, and it's always wise to do a patch test or consult a healthcare provider if you are unsure. When used as part of a well-rounded cleanse, which I outlined in episode 1, oregano can significantly boost your body's ability to rid itself of parasites. Don't forget, I've included a link in the description for 50% off high-quality, wild-crafted and organic herbs. And as always, I encourage you to join our live Telegram group if you haven't already. It's a wonderful community. It's free to join, where we discuss natural remedies, share experiences, and support one another. So just click the link in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with any other health enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and stay healthy. See you in the next video.